going to show you how to do a left twist in knitting. It's how to get this nice left slanting line. It goes well with the right twist where the line lies to the right. You can also do one as a little twist just straight up and down as well. So when you want to have it lay to the left like I do in this swatch, then I'm going to show you where to stop in order to make that. So what you're going to look for is see where the line stops right at this stitch. You see where it kind of intersects. So that's going to be the stitch that we start with. So I'll knit these last two, and now we're going to do the stitch. So you want to slip these two stitches knitwise. So go in like you're going to knit, slip it off the stitch, do that a second time, and put those back onto the left-hand needle. And then you want to knit into the back of this second one. So we're going to turn the work, I'll show you like this, and you put your needle in through the back, and then knit it, but don't take it off the needle. So you're going to knit, come through, it kind of makes this tiny little gap. It's a little hard to see. And then you want to knit both of these stitches together through the back loop. So again, going in through the back like that, knit, and then you take them both off the needle and continue knitting. And that's how you do a left twist stitch.